A great revenue opportunity when you're an online creator or just want to earn more money online is to sell services. No matter your niche, you can sell any service you like, organize your clients, manage your projects, all in one place by using HoneyBook. Let me show you why you'll love this just as much as I do. Do you know when you're trying to book a new client and sending emails back and forth just becomes exhausting? They don't quite understand your service, you don't quite understand what they need from you, and the booking seems to be taking forever. Well, HoneyBook provides the best solutions for these problems, as they are the perfect client relationship platform. It helps businesses and creators manage both their business and their clients, all while offering their clients a great experience. By using HoneyBook, you'll be able to book clients, manage your project, and even get paid all in one place. The best part is that HoneyBook also automates invoicing and secures payments, so they make client booking and payment collection fast and stress-free. And you even get customizable templates for your proposals and even contracts. You can create them in a few minutes with their professional templates and impress your clients from the start. So if you're ready to grow your freelancing business in 2025, now it is the time to get on it. HoneyBook annual plans are now 25% off for Cyber Week only. To get started or start your free trial, you can go to incomingsuccess.com/honeybook. You can start your free trial and see how everything works, but hurry to get that 25% off this year because it is the only week in which you can do that, and that is Cyber Week. I'm sure it will be a life changer for you and your freelancing business. Okay, so I mentioned that you can sell services in any niche, and I stand by that, with a few exceptions, of course, that I'm not going to bother mentioning. But in general, as a website designer, you can sell your services for web design, page design, different plugin designs, and so on. As a makeup artist, people can book one-on-one makeup sessions with you for an event, or even one-on-one coaching sessions in which you teach them how to do their own makeup or how to do professional makeup. As an English teacher or just somebody that knows the English language very well, the grammar and everything, you can teach one-on-one sessions teaching people how to properly speak and write in English, and so many more. But how can you start selling these services and have people actually interested in working with you? No, it is not by gaining thousands of followers really fast, because those followers mean nothing if they're not actually interested in what you're doing. So it is actually all about the value that you provide to those people, and the most important thing is that your content aligns with their interests and desires. So if you want to start creating content about the services that you're providing, for example, you are a creator and you want to teach people through coaching sessions, so that will be the service that you provide. You want to teach them how they can also become creators and earn through brand deals, through UGC content, and so on. Then you need to start creating content about your daily life, how you do this as a creator. Then people that want to become like you, they will be interested in learning more from you and even get coaching from you, because that way you are already working on attracting an audience that is super interested in the service that you're providing. But if you want to sell that type of service and all the content that you create is about your food and your dog and your hair and your makeup, then you will end up attracting a lot of people to your account maybe, but not the right ones, so the ones that would actually buy your service or your digital products in the future as well. So first, create relevant content to the service that you're providing. Second, mention your services in your content often and link them on your profile. Third, be open about what you're doing, share your client onboarding process, share how you help them grow or how you help them achieve a certain thing, share as much as your clients allow you to. So when I'm onboarding a new client and when I'm working with a client, I want to make sure that first that they clearly understand the problem that they're facing, so they know what solution to actually look for. So I look into the problem that they might have and how I can fix that with my service. So through your service, you want to offer customized solutions for them. And then a really important thing is that your client or your future client clearly understands the service that you're providing and the rates that you provide it for. And for that, it is super important to have a landing page or a website for your business, for your freelancing services. And for these, you can start creating them with HoneyBook, as they provide, as I said, the perfect templates for you to do this. So for that, you can go into your HoneyBook account, set up your branding so that it matches your entire aesthetic and brand style. That will also show up on the invoices that you're creating. Then go to the template gallery and select your desired template. You can start customizing the page and explain to people first and foremost what you do, who you are, and the type of service that you're providing. And then on the exact service page, for example, a service page for Instagram services, make sure to break down your service into multiple packages that will maybe help different types of people, or it will make it easy for people to understand the service that you're providing and that they can get a certain something from you as well. Make sure to customize your invoice, as I said, set up your payment methods, and connect your calendar to ensure a seamless booking process for your clients. Alright, Lilia, but what if I have been a freelancer for a while now? I have been offering my services, but nobody wants to work with me. This is my advice. First, ensure that you are targeting a very specific problem that somebody has. Don't try and go fixing all of the problems out there with one service. For example, if you're a web designer, if you want to attract a certain type of client, create content about a certain type of web design that you've created. For example, e-commerce website. So you help small businesses start their online shops. Another service idea, as a creator, for example, you don't want to be like, okay, I'm offering this service to help you grow as a creator. Grow like what? Tell them exactly what you will do for them. For example, in this service, I will find 100 relevant topics and content ideas for your TikTok account, or for your Instagram account, or for your YouTube channel. That research process and maybe the editing that you do for them can be the service that you're providing. But this helps them understand exactly what you will do for them, and that will make them so much more interested in working with you. Next, as I said, set up your HoneyBook account. It looks so professional, it is so easy to use, and you don't need a website to do it. So by using HoneyBook, you have everything already there. You have the landing pages, the services pages, your contact methods, and so many others. Your invoices, the ability for clients to pay you, to see your monthly stats, exactly how many clients you booked, exactly how much money you made. It is all in one place and so easy to navigate. And by doing this, your services will be so clear for your audience. And third, level up your content every single day and be consistent. Post everything that you do, but make sure to stick onto one niche and to focus on one audience. Get inspired from your favorite creators, film, edit, post, and do it all again. And most of all, make sure to have fun while doing it. And by doing all of these, trust me, you'll be able to then attract any clients for any services in any niche. If you've enjoyed what you learned, don't forget to leave this video a like and subscribe down below for more videos weekly. Don't forget to try HoneyBook for your freelancing business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.